Hello everybody. Today we are going to do a dive into the fascinating world of the Indian Evidence Act. Evidence Act is a crucial piece of legislation that governs the admissibility and evaluation of evidence in Indian courts. Whether you are a law student or a practicing lawyer, understanding the Indian Evidence Act is essential for the working in the Indian legal system and ensuring that justice is served to your clients. During this lecture, we will explore the key provisions of the Act and examine how they apply in the various legal situations. We will also discuss some important case laws which will help you understand the practical implication of the Act. The major highlights of my lecture would be following. That applies to all of judicial proceedings in India, including civil and criminal cases. The Act defines several types of evidences, including oral evidences, documentary evidences, as well as electronic evidences. The Act provides guidelines for the examination of the witnesses, including rules for direct examination, cross-examination, and re-examination. The Act allows for the use of expert evidences in certain circumstances, such as in cases of scientific or technical issues needed, we can use it. The Act provides for the exclusion of certain types of evidences, like such evidences obtained through torture or coercion. That also provide guidelines for the burden of proof, including rules for shifting the burden of proof and the standard of proof required in different types of cases.